In today's video, I will show you the easiest free method to create unlimited professional business email accounts. Having a professional business email not only builds credibility with clients and partners, but also helps you stand out from a crowded inbox, which leads to a higher click-through rate, higher response ratio, and potentially more revenue for your business. I'll be using 𝗙𝗪𝗁 to demonstrate this in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. How to set up your domain name and web hosting. 2. How to create a business email address. 3. How to access your business email. 4. How to change your business email display name and test it to ensure it's working properly. And 5. How to manage your business email, like changing your password or even completely deleting the email account. So to get started with step 1, click on my exclusive discount link in the video description to get a free domain name and web hosting. Now, when you click on the link in the video description, it brings you to this website. This is the official 𝗙𝗪𝗁 website, and 𝗙𝗪𝗁 is one of the best and most reputable web hosting companies on the internet. They are currently running a Happy New Year offer where you get to enjoy 80% discount on their hosting plans and also get a free domain for life. Alright, and you can get this offer if you use the link in the description of this video. So once you are on this website, just scroll down and click on plans and pricing, and when I click there, it brings me to this new page. And on the new page, I am currently on the shared hosting. You can see the different plans we have here, but I want you to scroll down. Just scroll down and you will get to this point where you see compare shared hosting features. All right, so scroll down and you would see email features. So when you see email features, click on it and it will open up for you, and you can see the features for the different plans. For the starter plan, you can get up to 5 professional business email accounts. All right, you can get up to 5. For the essential plan, you can get up to 25 professional business mails for $2.39 per month. For the plus and extras, you can get unlimited professional business emails. Okay, so you can see the pricing here. So it depends on any of them you want to choose based on your budget, but for me, I would go with the starter plan, which is $1.79 per month. So I'll just click on start now. Then it brings me into the page to select a domain name. All right, so I'll just paste in my domain name, and when I come to this extension, I'll click here, and you can see you can get these 4 domain extensions for free. All right, you can get these 4 domain extensions for free: .online, .site, .store, and .tech. But if you want to get .com, .net, and these other domain names, then you need to pay $13.95, and you can see the cost here and everything here. But for me, I will just go with .online, which is the free one, and I will click on use this domain. Then it tells me, congratulations, my domain name is available for registration. So all you need to do is to fill in your account information, your email, your password, and all these details. So once you fill up this information, scroll down and you can see this place. The plan is the shared hosting plan, and for the data center, by default it gives me Milan, and I'm being charged $2 per month. But I want to get rid of this charge, so I will just click here and choose Frankfurt, because Frankfurt is also close to me in Nigeria. So I just choose this, and I have gotten rid of the $2 charge per month. Then for the period, I will leave it at 12 months, and you can see the hosting price is $1.79 per month. Then I scroll down, and here you can see we have domain privacy and ID protection for $3.95 per month. So you can leave this checked, or you can uncheck it if you want. Then I can scroll down and you can see your order summary here. So my order summary is $21.48 and I have enjoyed 80% discount here. All right, then all you need to do is to come here and put in your credit card information and click on place order. Once your order is successful, an email will be sent to your email address, and all you need to do is to click on the verification link to verify your purchase and also go through the other details of your purchase. All right, so once you purchase your domain successful, the next thing is to log into your 𝗙𝗻𝐵 dashboard. And to do that, I'll just come here and I'll go to 𝗙𝗻𝐵.com. So you can see the website here. I go to 𝗙𝗻𝐵.com and then I come to client login, and here you need to put in your account information. So I already have an account with 𝗙𝗻𝐵, so I'll just put in my credentials and I'll click on login. So right now I am in my 𝗙𝗻𝐵 dashboard, and in your dashboard we need to log into our cPanel so we can create a business email address. So to log into cPanel, scroll down and click on CP, and you'll be asked to put in your master password for security reasons. Just put it and click on proceed, and then it takes me to my cPanel. All right, so in my cPanel, locate the email and click on email account, because we want to create a business email address. So click on email account, and when you click on email account, it brings you here, and all you need to do is to click on create, and then you can see the domain is selected. You can see my domain here is selected here. Then for the username, I will just use support. So support@𝗙𝗵𝗵𝐶ompany.online, and for the password, I will just put in a strong password. So I put in a strong password, and then I scroll down and I click on create. So I will just close this, and you can see my email has been created successfully. And when I scroll down, you can see that my email has been created successfully, and it has a storage capacity of 250 megabytes. All right, so this is how you create a professional business email. Okay, so in the next step, I'll show you how to access your business email. Okay, so to access your business email, you can come here and click on check email, or open another tab and then put in your domain name /webmail. All right, so I put in 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝐶ompany.online /webmail, and I search it, and then it opens up my webmail for me, where I need to put in my email address and password. So for my email address, I'll put in, and then I put in my password, and I click on login, and you can see login is successful and I am being redirected to my email account. Then I close this from here, and you can see I can open my inbox with round cube. So I just come here and click on open, and right now it opens up my business email account for me, and you can see how it displays here, and by default I have one message in my inbox. All right, so this is how you access your business email. And the next step, I want to show you how to change the display name on your business email. Okay, and to change the display name, come to settings, and when you come to settings, click on identities, and you can now see support@𝗙𝗵𝗵𝐶ompany.online. I'll click on it, and then for the display name, you can just fill in your display name here. So for me, I'll just put support team. So this is the name people would see when they get my message in their inbox. So I'll just choose support team, and I come down here and click on save, and you can see it has been saved successfully. All right, it has been saved successfully, and now I can come back to my inbox and it takes me here. So let's try to send a test mail to another email account and see how it's going to display. So I'll just come and click on compose email, and I'll say send this mail to, so send this mail here, and the subject would be test mail, and I'll come in here and write, hi, this is a test. And when I'm done, I'll click on send, and you see my message has been sent successfully. If I come to send, you can see I sent a test mail to this email address. All right, and I now need to go to this email address and see how this message is going to display in the inbox of this Gmail account. All right, and I'll just come here, it's open already. I click here and it takes me here, and all I need to do is to refresh. So I click on refresh. So you can see this message has come and it displays here. It says support team, which is the display name we set. And when I click on it, you can see I can read the content. Hi, this is a test. All right. So the message has come and I can reply this message. If I click on reply, I will type, hello, I got it. And then I send. So you can see that my message has been sent. So I need to go back to my professional business email and check if this email has come. So I'll just click here. So I now come here and I click on the inbox, and all I need to do is to click on refresh. And you can now see that it shows me a reply from test mail. And when I click here, you can see, hello, I got it. So we just replied this message and it comes right in here. All right, so this is the process of creating a professional business mail, and this is how you access your business mail, change the display name, and start sending and receiving messages. All right, and the last and final step I want to show you is how to manage your business email. Okay, so let's say you want to delete this business email, or you want to create another one, and to do that you need to go back to your cPanel, and when you come here you can see I just used 1 out of 5 email accounts, and I still have 4 available to create. Okay, so to create another one, you can just come here and click on create, and then you can put in the username, put in the password, and click on create. But I don't want to create another one, so I will go back. And then also, if you want to delete this particular email, you can come to manage, just click on manage, and you can change a new password, or you can scroll down and you can decide to delete email account. So if I click on delete email account, it will ask me, are you sure you want to delete? I say yes, and then you can click on delete. So that is basically it for this tutorial, guys. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you always get notified when I drop future videos. If at any point in this video you had any issues, any questions, you can relate them with me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.